Hi, today is another special video. Today we are going to turn this bike into an e-bike. Basically we are going to turn this cycle into an electric cycle. So to make a e-bike you don't have to buy the things separately. You can buy an e-bike kit from online and I'll give the links in the description if you want to buy it. Now let's start making it. So basically we have to do a lot of modifications. I attached another freewheel. So there's two freewheels for the cycle, one for the motor, one for the cycle, and I welded two pieces like this so I can attach the motor like that. So I have put the bracket onto the motor. You can get this bracket from the kit and you should put the chain on too. You can get this chain from the kit. Next step is to put your bracket onto the cycle using these two things. I will come back after putting it. So the next step is to make a box for our batteries and controllers. Mine doesn't have a carrier. If yours have carriers, it's not a big deal. You can keep the batteries and controls on there. I am making a small box right here. Let me sketch it for you like that. So it would be like that, a small box right there. And we are going to keep our batteries, one here and one here. There will be two batteries, one here, and the controllers over here. So we have made the box, see that? And let it be fitting right here. Next step, you can see that we will be keeping our batteries here, both batteries here and here, and the controllers over here. Now next step is to sand it and paint it. I have painted the box. See, I have fixed this box here using these two clamps. I have made a hole here for the lock. Now when we open it, you can see there is two spaces for the battery, and this is the charger. I have already fixed it, and this is the speed controller. We will be keeping our speed controller like that. So let's move on and do our wiring. Next step is to put on accelerators and e-brakes. So we don't want these, we need these, and these are e-brakes, and we have to change the old brakes to e-brakes and our old handles to accelerators. So I have kept the accelerator and the brakes. Now the next step is to do your wiring. So these two are for the brakes, e-brakes. Now one of these is for the accelerator. Now these two are for the power lock. See, this is our power lock. I'll attach it. So we have attached our power lock. Now let's connect the wires. This is for the horn, and this is the power brake, and the wiring of our front portion is done. So we have done all our basic connections. The next step is to put our batteries and the speed controller. So this is our speed controller. This is our motor's wire where we'll be connecting all of it. And this is the accelerator, and this accelerator, yeah, that's the accelerator. This is the brakes, and this is our power lock. And this is our charger. Let's connect the charger. Now last step is to put all the batteries and connect the battery, and we will start going. So we have put our batteries and I have kept the controller inside. Now the last step we need to do is to connect our battery wire like that. And next step, put all your wires inside, and we will close it. And we're done. So this is a small speedometer for our cycle, so we know how fast we are going. So first thing we need to do is to attach our speedometer. Right now, this is the sensor for our cycle, and this is the magnet that comes with it. So let's see how to fix it. So this is a magnet for our sensor. I have already fixed it. Now this is the main sensor for our front tire. Now we'll fix it right here, and that's it. Now our speedometer is ready and you can see how fast we are going. So this is a charger for our e-bike, and let me plug it in and show you how you can charge it. And you can see there is two colors, one red and one green, and this is the charger that we have made for the e-bike, and you just plug it in like that and you can see it's charging. See the red light. So when it's fully charged it will turn green. So you can see it. I'll show you the map. So here's the e-bike we have built, and if you want to make your own e-bike kit, I'll give the links in the description, and if you want to check it out you can check it out. If you have any questions about my e-bike you can ask me in my Instagram. And this is the e-bike. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Click here to watch my last video. Click here to subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.